Here we go, entering our fourth and final lounge.
Let's go check out the food. Sure, they got some great options. Some kung pao chicken. You actually gotta make your own laksa. One thing I love about Singapore is the food is so diverse. You have foods from all over the world.
It just makes your tummy feel really, really happy.
I could eat a lot of that, trust me on that one.
There's nowhere else except for Asia that I'm able to have this.
I appreciate the open bar.
Shower was amazing.
I'm a happy camper. Cheers.
Here we go, entering our fourth and final lounge, Sat's Premiere. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check out the food. Sure, they got some great options. Had a lovely salad bar. All right, so they got some noodle options, some kung pao chicken, fish, some vegetables like broccoli, chicken tikka masala, another type of fish. Then they got some aloo gobi, some spiced biryani rice. Of course, they got the signature laksa, which you can make yourself. Of course, they got the premium coffee options, which I absolutely appreciate. Last but not least, they have premium beverages, wine, Johnny Walker, Gordon's, and Smirnoff. You can get as much as you want.
I have one of my favorite snacks in all of Asia. It's congee. It's like a Chinese porridge with chicken, ginger, and whatever else you want in there. This is usually a breakfast dish, but I like it at any time of the day, honestly. Let's try it. Ooh, yeah. That's good. It just makes your tummy feel really, really happy. It's like chicken broth mixed with oatmeal in the most savory sense. This congee specifically, it's not the best I've ever had, but I do appreciate it because I don't really get this very often. This congee with all of the delicious accoutrements, I would say 8.59. Delicious. I'm just grateful to be able to have it because honestly, there's nowhere else except for Asia that I'm able to have this, and it just makes me happy.
Here we are at Sat's Premium Lounge. We're gonna try their food. It's a lot of diversity. Let's start with the salad. This Japanese sesame dressing is incredible. Veggies are fresh. Make your own. It's very, very good. Let's start with the biryani. It's got a nice cashew. Very flavorful. For those of you who haven't tried it, it's essentially a Indian fried rice with yogurt. It's lovely. Very, very nice. Let's now transition to the cauliflower curry. Here we go. Nice, bright, little bit of heat, appreciate that. This is the kind of curry that makes you think you're eating something healthy. It's really good, actually. I like it. One thing I love about Singapore is the food is so diverse. You have foods from all over the world. Now let's go to the grand finale, one I've been very excited to try. The chicken tikka masala. Here we go. It's creamy. Tastes like a cashew nut type of paste. Really good. Full disclosure, I did add Tabasco sauce to it. When I'm looking for chicken tikka masala, this is what I love. Large chunks of chicken, spicy, complex flavors, variety of Indian spices that kind of trick your mind a little bit. Considering I'm in a lounge and I can eat as much of this as I want, I'm a happy camper. Cheers. Overall, I'll give this whole plate 9.21. 9.21. Yeah, I could eat a lot of that. Trust me on that one. All right, here at Sat's Lounge, you actually gotta make your own laksa, which means you take these ingredients, they're available here, you dump them in here, and then you just blanch it. You wanna give it about a minute, help it wake up a little bit. All right, it's been cooking for about a minute. Now you throw it back in the bowl. Boom, take on some beautiful stew. This is what this lounge is known for. Let's see how good it is. That looks beautiful. Look, it's almost like just a gravy. Add a little bit of spice. Come on, you know you want to do it, so do it. Add a little bit of green. Keep it healthy. And boom, we're good to go. Last but not least, when in Singapore, you gotta have char kway teow. It's a noodle dish. We'll just do a little bit just to let you guys know what it's like. All right, let's go give it a go. These noodles are kind of special to Singapore. You find these often in the hawker stand. I'm not expecting great quality, but it looks pretty delicious. Here we go, one bite. It's okay. I wouldn't say this is the star. It's like a little bit of a bland chow mein. Almost like a weedy flavor. Not too much excitement there. This is 5.49. Let's try the famous laksa. The big question, will this laksa be better than Premium Plaza. It has the ability to be that, but I'm not sure. Premium Plaza was insane. Let's give it a try. Start off with the broth. Okay, this one's a little bit more sweet than Premium Plaza. Got more heat, which I do appreciate. Less clam flavor. A lot of umami. Let's try some noodles. It's pretty good. I have to say noodles are nice. Definitely not as good as Premium Plaza, but it's not a bad one. I'm gonna go 9.23. 9.23. You gotta make it fresh. Tastes excellent. I like it not as sweet, but it really is a nice dish. Overall, it's good. What'd you think of Sat Premium Lounge?
I thought it was lovely. I really liked it. The food, the vibes and everything was great. I would give that a 9.1.
9.1?
Shower was amazing.
For my Sat experience, I have to say that chicken tikka masala was incredible. The laksa was pretty good. My shower wasn't that good, in all honesty. The water was cold. I appreciate the open bar. I like that place. I like that place a lot. Wasn't my favorite. I'm gonna go with a 9.18. 9.18, that's my final score. Overall, very good. That place and Plaza Premium are definitely my favorite of all of them. At this point, you should kind of explain how we get into these lounges. So there's a couple credit cards that you can have, which include an Amex, Chase Banks, or Capital One. With these credit cards, you get access to the lounges through a system called Priority Pass. It's essentially a membership where you just show them your card and then they let you in. And you can go to as many as you want, unlimited for the year, but you gotta have those premium credit cards, which do have an annual fee. If you don't have one of those and you still wanna go to the lounge, you'd have to purchase a business or first class ticket to one of these airlines in order to get in. And those tickets, in comparison to the economy tickets, are insanely expensive. Sometimes we're looking at 10 times the difference or more. It is an incredible experience and the flight is so much more comfortable. But at the same time, if you want to hack the system, having a premium credit card, which gives you a priority pass, which gives you access to those kind of lounges, you get a very, very similar experience with a fraction of what it would cost to get into here. If you want to go into these lounges, your best bet is to find a premium credit card with a low annual fee that gets you something like a priority pass and then lets you get into the lounges like we went to. When you come to Singapore Airport, make sure that you find your perfect lounge and have a great flight. Adios, friends.